Eye on the ball, D.
Good.
Oh, made contact.
You gave up on it. You gave up on
You
it.
said it once every 5. And then it'll become once every 4. That's it. Remember?
Once every 5 I get really good connection. Like internet.
Oh, Dylan.
So once every 5 minutes I get really good connection. Let's go.
Tomorrow, when you guys...
Do you keeping it on your left toe?
With this and we'll all play together.
This is what we call a smoke set. Not a sunset, smoke set. That's conifer, the fire's over there. That's the sunset.
Oh, it's over in Concord?
Yeah, over in Evergreen. Big, and we've been watching helicopters and big planes go over to drop water. Okay, I'm ready for it, D.
Come on, Mom, give me a good one.
Don't look up at your ball after you hit it.
Nice. You got contact at least. You scubbed it.
So this one's got to be a good one.
Yep. Once every 5. That's it. Remember the catch. You want to feel the grass.
Kill the grass.
Nice and easy. That's it. Nice, D. You just bladed it. You got it. You made contact. Yes. Yes, it's wet.
Right there.
Yeah, mine's wet.
Right by your club.
Okay, Ma. Let's see it.
And there's a golf cleaner. Or a golf club cleaner.
Cleats. To clean the grass off your shoes.
Couple practice swings.
Full swings, Molly.
There you go.
I think the red color on the pigtail makes your golf ball go farther.
Why are you in such a hurry?
That's it.
Be on the walk for like 35 minutes.
Or not.
Nice swing. Eye on the ball. All right, I think it's time to go after the ball now. Nice practice swing.
Don't lose the ball.
Stop saying that.
Keep looking at that ball until after you hit it.
I think if there was a gopher, he'd be in trouble. If there had been a ground squirrel, he'd have been in trouble.
You got a better one than that.
Worm burner. I want to see a lambaster.
There you go.
Nice.
Nice, Dylan.
Woohoo!
That's your best one yet.
Good job, D. Was number 5, wasn't it?
It is amazing when you have the right swing how far you can hit the ball.
I spanked that one.
Okay, thanks, sweetheart. That was good.
That a girl.
See, you looked up after you made that.
Woo!
Way better.
And you didn't hit Wolfgang. All right, Dylan, let's see one more. No, we just call him Wolfgang. Wolfgang usually does that. The picker. His hands are too far apart. Nice, D! Woo! That's some backspin, 2 in a row. It's too bad it's getting dark. You don't want to quit, do you?
That was really good.
I want to show you how tall Dylan is next to his daddy. Go stand next to your dad. Tall and thin like his papa. Yeah. And there's Aunt Jody. She's become a good golfer too.